So now I'm going to create a starting point of our game. Okay, now I'm going to create instance of a game class. And invoke play method. Okay, when I by using name equals main, I'm going to indicate that when I run the game script, Python will execute that part of code. Okay, so let's try to test it. Okay, we've got our board, row 0, column 0, so we can see X at position 0, 0. So now we need to place O, 1, 0. Okay, and we can see O at position 1, it's 0, 0, 1. We can see X at position 0, 1, 1, 1. So O is at position 1, 1, 0, 2. And we can see that the player X wins. You can see that the game flow is managed in a while loop. We continue to ask the current player for their move until a valid move is made. After each valid move, we check if a game has been won. It has, we announce the winner and break out of the loop. If not, we switch to other player and continue. And there we have it. A simple console-based tic-tac-toe game written in Python using object-oriented programming.